It's Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Whenever I'm changing out a hose bib, I always like to chop it right behind the packing, leaving just enough brass for me to get a hold of with my pliers. Then I'll sand off the paint for where I'm about to be applying my torch and sweat out that last little brass piece. The reason I like doing that is because sometimes you'll get a little water trapped right behind the packing there, and it causes you to have to overheat the fitting, and you can compromise some of the other joints on that tee. Then of course I go through my process of cleaning, reaming, and then applying flux to that fitting. And yes, I even clean the brand new fittings, and I apply flux to both the cup and the fitting itself. One thing I like to do for my customers is change this to a female fitting. That way I can use a threaded hose bib, and it's much easier and even much cheaper for them to replace this hose bib in the future, as there will be no soldering required. I always start heating the joint from the bottom first, and then I'll move the flame around to be sure that we're evenly distributing that heat. That's the best way to ensure that our solder is being drawn fully and evenly into that cup, and we get a nice clean joint. Then I'll let the fitting cool for a minute, and I'll take a damp rag and I'll wipe it all down to make sure that there's no leftover flux that's going to give it that green patina after I'm gone. After that, I'm going to use my favorite Knipex pliers to install that male threaded hose bib into that new female adapter we just sweated on. If you don't own a pair of Knipex, I highly suggest you give them a try. They are without a doubt the best pliers I have ever used. They do take a little getting used to, but once you get used to them, if you're a service plumber, you will thank me. Now all I've got left to do is turn the water back on, inspect for leaks, install the vacuum breaker, and hopefully you're going to like the video and subscribe to this channel. And if you leave a comment down below, I'll be sure to reply. Thanks guys, take care.